there, savvy savers, and welcome back to I Am a Wiki channel. Today, we're about to embark on a wallet-friendly journey that's going to revolutionize the way you think about your hard-earned cash. We all know that money doesn't grow on trees, but with a little bit of knowledge and a whole lot of determination, you'll be amazed at how much you can save without sacrificing the things that bring joy to your life. Whether you're dreaming of that exotic vacation, aiming to build an emergency fund, or simply seeking a little extra financial freedom, you've come to the right place. Get ready to supercharge your money-saving game as we delve into not just 10, not just 15, but a whopping 20 ingenious ways to put more money back into your pockets. From budgeting hacks to nifty lifestyle adjustments, we're here to empower you with practical strategies that will have you saying goodbye to wasteful spending and hello to a more mindful and prosperous future. So, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to jot down these tips and tricks that are about to revolutionize your financial journey. Without further ado, let's dive into the heart of our video and explore the 20 ways to save money that will transform your financial landscape. Tip 1. Create a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your finances. Start by listing all your sources of income and then categorize your expenses, including necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries, as well as discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Tip 2. Cook at home. Eating out may seem convenient, but it often comes with a hefty price tag. Cooking at home not only saves money but also allows you to experiment with recipes and eat healthier. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it to avoid unnecessary purchases. Tip 3. Brown bag lunches. Preparing your lunch instead of buying it every day can lead to substantial savings over time. Invest in a good quality lunch container to keep your meals fresh and exciting. Tip 4. Cut cable and streaming costs. Take a critical look at your entertainment subscriptions. Do you really need all those streaming services? Consider sharing accounts with family or friends, or rotating between services to reduce costs. Tip 5. Shop smart. Sales, coupons, and comparison shopping can be your best friends. Before making a purchase, do some research to find the best deals. There are numerous apps and websites that help you compare prices across different retailers. Tip 6. Use public transportation. If you live in an area with reliable public transportation, consider using it instead of driving. It not only saves money on gas and parking but also reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Tip 7. Reduce energy consumption. Small changes can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics that aren't in use, and consider using a programmable thermostat to regulate your home's temperature efficiently. Tip 8. Cancel unused memberships. Do you really need that gym membership you haven't used in months? Review your subscriptions and memberships regularly to identify ones you can cancel or downgrade. Tip 9. Buy secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces offer a treasure trove of items at a fraction of the cost. From clothing to furniture, buying secondhand can save you a considerable amount. Tip 10. DIY projects. Thanks to online tutorials, you can learn how to tackle simple home repairs and projects on your own. Not only will you gain new skills, but you'll also save money by avoiding hiring professionals. Tip 11. Negotiate bills. You'd be surprised how many service providers are open to negotiating lower rates. Contact your cable, internet, or insurance company and see if there's room for reducing your bills. Tip 12. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account as soon as your paycheck comes in. This way, you're treating savings as a non-negotiable expense. Tip 13. Bulk buying. Items like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and non-perishable foods can be significantly cheaper when bought in bulk. Just make sure you have enough storage space before you go all in. Tip 14. Grow your own produce. If you have a green thumb and a bit of space, consider growing your own fruits and vegetables. It's not only cost-effective but also incredibly satisfying. Tip 15. Limit impulse buying. Give yourself a cooling-off period before making non-essential purchases. If you still want an item a few days later, you know it's not just an impulse buy. Tip 16. Use cashback apps. There are several apps that offer cashback and rewards for your everyday purchases. Simply scan your receipts or make purchases through the app to earn money back. Tip 17. Consolidate debt. If you're carrying high-interest debts across multiple accounts, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can save you a significant amount in interest payments. Tip 18. Cut down on alcohol and caffeine. Beverages like alcohol and specialty coffees can take a toll on your budget over time. Cutting back or finding cheaper alternatives can lead to substantial savings. Tip 19. Cancel unused subscriptions. We often sign up for services and forget about them. Regularly review your subscriptions, from magazines to streaming services, and cancel the ones you no longer use. Tip 20. Reevaluate your housing situation. Housing is often the largest monthly expense. If your current living situation is straining your budget, consider downsizing, getting a roommate, or exploring more affordable neighborhoods. And there you have it, my fellow money savers, 20 incredible ways to take control of your finances and watch your savings soar. Remember, the journey to financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. Each small change you make contributes to the bigger picture of your financial success. By implementing just a few of these strategies, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your dreams, your peace of mind, and your future. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or simply enjoy a guilt-free splurge once in a while, these tips are your ticket to getting there faster. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 20 ways to save money resonated with you the most? Are you planning to try a new approach, or perhaps you have your own money-saving tricks up your sleeve? Share your thoughts and experiences down in the comments. Let's support and inspire each other on this journey to financial success. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who could use a little extra cash in their pockets. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all the practical financial advice coming your way. Thank you for joining me today on this money-saving adventure. Remember, you have the power to make a positive impact on your financial future starting right now. So go out there, make informed choices, and watch your savings grow. Until next time, stay smart, stay thrifty, and keep reaching for those financial goals.